हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटोरियल्स। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं स्टैंडर्ड 5th का EVS 2 का लेसन नंबर 3 लाइफ ऑन द अर्थ के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। तो जो भी हम आंसर्स देखेंगे वो शॉर्ट में रहेंगे ताकि आपको लर्निंग में भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट, आंसर ईच क्वेश्चन इन अ वन सेंटेंस। ए, व्हाट इंस्ट्रूमेंट डू वी नीड टू सी अ यूनिसेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिज्म? आंसर, वी नीड अ माइक्रोस्कोप टू सी अ यूनिसेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिज्म। B, where did the protozoa appear first? Answer, it is believed that protozoa first appeared in water. Second, answer the following in a brief. A, how were the sun and the planets in our solar system created? Answer, around 4.5 billion years ago, an enormous cloud of a very hot gases and dust spinning at a great speed was formed in a space. Its circular motion and a great spread caused it to divide into several portions, thus creating the sun and the planets which revolve around the sun. B, write any two characteristics of animals. Answer, two characteristics of animals are: first, animals breathe; second, animals move in order to get a food or for the other purposes. Third, find the names of the planets in the box below. So you can see the planets name here like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Uranus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and Neptune. 4. Arrange the events given below in the chronological order. So let's see directly answer. So first is an enormous cloud of hot gases and dust was formed in the space. Second, the sun and the planets revolving around it were created. Third, water bodies appeared on the earth's surface. And fourth, protozoa appeared in a water. Okay student, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. Then do like, comment and share. And for more such a videos, subscribe to Study Spark Tutorials. We will meet in next video. Till that, keep learning.